VU 108 cm, 43-inch, Ultra HD, 4K, LED Smart WebOS TV. Product information. IPS technology. The high-performance, optical panel with IPS technology improves light reflection by up to 40%, enhancing image brightness and providing a broad viewing angle. AI Picture Booster. You can employ an AI system to reduce picture noise to create smooth, more sensitive photographs. AI Self-Adaptation, intelligent complexion adjustment recognition, and creating attractive personalities. Cricket Mode. Get the stadium experience at home with WebOS TV Cricket Mode, which offers innovative technology to always assure 100% ball visibility, regardless of how the ball is moving in relation to the ground, the sky, or the spectators. Theatrical Sound. A broad range of audio is blasted into your space thanks to 4 powerful speakers, including 2 master speakers to boost voices and bass and 2 tweeters handling the upper notes. A practical sound experience is provided as the nuances of sound come to life. Intelligent Content Streaming. WebOS software is included with this WebOS TV that allows you to enjoy your favorite flicks with premium content partners such as Netflix, Prime Video, Hotstar, and YouTube, thanks to the powerful processor and AI upscaler technology of this TV. Magic Remote Control. You can easily control your entertainment with Magic Remote Control by clicking, scrolling, or by utilizing the advanced AI voice recognition technology. Powerful Processor. A 64-bit quad-core processor and 1.5 GB of RAM are included with WebOS TV, enabling constant smooth operation. Additionally, a fluid streaming experience of your preferred entertainment is provided by the astounding 4-core processor, a potent GPU, and 8 GB of storage. Two-way Bluetooth. You can connect numerous Bluetooth devices to this TV because it supports two-way Bluetooth 5.0. Connect additional Bluetooth devices such as a keyboard, mouse, headphones, speakers, and gaming controller. Eye Comfort Mode. Enabling the Eye Comfort mode will change the color temperature to lessen eye fatigue. The low reflection screen lessens the glaring reflections of warm colors and other sources on your screen that could be bothersome. Energy Saving APS Mode. The WebOS TV's energy-saving function employs power-saving capacitors and optimized picture and sound to consume less energy and, as a result, spend less money on electricity. Saving energy prolongs the life of the TV in addition to protecting it. For more information, description link. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.